Hi, my name is Roger Yost. I'm with Marchet's Farmers Insurance. I want to invite you to LeTip of Dallas, a networking group that passes leads to one another to help build your business, and we call them tips in our group. This week we have a showboater named Gilbert Delgado, and he is with water restoration. He's been doing this since 1992, and this week he's going to tell you all about the tools necessary that he uses in his business. The person that's going to be speaking this week is Chris Andres. He's founder and CEO of Cloud9 Media, and he is going to tell you all about disruptive marketing and strategies. These are really great topics and something that you do not want to miss. So if you want to grow your business and learn more about the best networking group in Dallas, please attend our meeting this week, 11:30 to 1. Thank you, and again, my name is Roger Yost, and we look forward to seeing you this Wednesday.